Hello and welcome, it's Max from Max Designs Automotive. Today I'm here to talk about our brand new line of wiring connectors for automotive and marine use. Here I'd like to show our wire crimper and a competitor's wire crimper. As you can tell, the physical size difference. Ours is probably a third longer, which gives you much more leverage and getting your connections crimped much tighter. It is built much heavier for a lifetime's use, and that's why we offer a lifetime warranty on it. You might find these at a auto parts store, Walmart, or a wiring kit that you might buy. I wouldn't trust them. They do not crimp tight enough, and their stripper's pretty well useless on there as well. Ours have an automatic release feature. When your crimp gets tight, it automatically releases at the correct pressure to make sure you have the right crimps every time. It'll also assist you in holding your wire connector, as I'll show you. I'd like to show you the difference between two different types of wire connectors. These heat shrink adhesive connectors are what is included in our kit, and these are plastic connectors you may find at an auto parts store. The obvious difference between the two is that these ones are waterproof and corrosion proof, and these ones are not. These ones will actually have an adhesive when you heat to shrink them that will bond the plastic tube, the heat shrink tube, to the wire for a permanent connection. There's no way that it can come out. With these type connectors, if you don't crimp it tight enough and you use a crimping tool such as this, they will slide out. So I'm going to give a demonstration on how to strip, crimp, and shrink the heat shrink connectors for a waterproof, corrosion proof, permanent fix. A short tutorial on how to properly use our wire connectors. So, take the wire that is going to be spliced. Take no more than 1/4 of an inch off. I'm working with 10 gauge wire here. Like so. I already have the wire connector loaded in the tool, which is nice. It holds it in there nice and firmly. Take it in all the way and squeeze. It creates a beautiful, tight crimp. Just do the same thing here with the other side. Go ahead and load it in the tool again. Insert your wire. Squeeze until it releases. There you are. I'll show you a couple different techniques for shrinking the wire. You can use just a regular cigarette lighter to shrink it, which I don't like to do because it blackens it. My favorite way to do it is to use a heat gun, like so. But for this video, we're going to use a little propane torch. See it shrinking. Ooh, got a little warm there. Run that a butane. So you want to shrink it until it's transparent and the adhesive starts poking out of the end. That's So you know you got a good tight seal, permanent waterproof seal. Thank you. If you have any other questions, please drop me a line. You have a great day.